Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to analyze and redesign the new Alfa Romeo Tonale. It's a compact and sporty looking SUV with very interesting engine variants. Tonale will be Alfa's first ever electrified car with improved quality interior and use of NFT technology for future value retention. But first let's talk about some technical information. The length of the car is 4.5 meters and 30 millimeters. Its height is 1.6 meters. The Tonale is slightly bigger, but comparable to Audi Q3 and BMW X1 models. Underneath the skin is a further developed FCA platform that was used previously on Jeep Compass. The platform got a wider track, greater integration of aluminium, and was modified to suit a new hybrid drivetrains. Tonale will receive two hybrid variants, a PHEV and conventional ICE engines. Both hybrids consist of 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engines with additional support by a 15 kW electric motor. The total power output ranges from 150 horsepower up to 272 horsepower with all-wheel drive in the PHEV. It's possible in the nearest future there will be even more powerful offering as a quadrifoglio EV variant. Analyzing design of the Tonale, it's a very elegant, sporty and well-proportioned car, especially combined with its 20-inch wheels. The mixture between wedge direction, long elegant lines that run through the whole body side create a very graceful and at the same time athletic appearance of the car. Slim and wide lamps maintain the coherent relationship between front and rear. A new feature is a full-width LED taillight with 3 half-squarish elements on each side will definitely provide a unique identity during the night. The front in terms of the silhouette is very shark nose-like and very sporty compared to its competitors. The front lamps cut out with the incorporation of the triangular grille, a wider black pointed lower intake create a very strong recognition even without an Alfa Romeo logo. In my personal view, it's a very well designed SUV with a lot of character and recognizable but in a new way Alfa Romeo identity. Because of its well resolved proportions and graphic elements, I just slightly adjusted the design theme. That include lights, window graphic, air intakes and the rear body volume. In terms of the weakest areas of the car, it's the long rear overhang, especially the way how far the rear tail lamp is placed. Reducing the length of the rear overhang and moving the tailgate volume towards the rear passengers will improve even more sporty proportions of the car. As always, let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the new Alfa Romeo Tonale. Thank you for watching, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and see you in the next video.